in this JavaScript series, the question is on classes. Yeah, this is the first question based on the OOP of JavaScript. Yeah, so here they are creating this object like this, new polygon. Yeah, Console.log triangle.perimeter. Yeah, then they are calling the function of that object perimeter, and we have to return the perimeter of the diagram. Anything they have created, means they can create rectangle, square, pentagon. Yeah, here they have created rectangle, square, pentagon. We have to create a class of polygon. Okay, so we are going to start creating a class in JavaScript. Okay, so class polygon, I think capital P, polygon. Okay, after that this parenthesis, then we have to create a constructor. Okay, means they are passing an array. This is an array. In this array all the sides are present. Okay, in rectangle there are 4 sides, in square there are 4 sides, in pentagon there are 5 sides. Okay, so in JavaScript कंस्ट्रक्टर का नाम ही कंस्ट्रक्टर होता है. ओके, मीन्स जैसे सी और सी प्लस प्लस में क्लास का नाम होता है कंस्ट्रक्टर, वैसे नहीं होता इधर. सो इधर एक ही कंस्ट्रक्टर होता है और उसमें हमें उसका नाम भी कंस्ट्रक्टर ही होता है. या द नेम कॉल्ड इटसेल्फ कंस्ट्रक्टर. नाउ वी वांट टू सेव दिस अरे इन अ लोकल वेरिएबल ऑफ क्लास. दिस डॉट एस लोकल वेरिएबल नहीं कह सकते, इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल. दिस डॉट s is equal to sides. Just we are saving the array into our instance variable of class. Okay, so that we can use in other functions. So now we have to create one function that they are rendering, that they are calling here dot perimeter. Okay, means perimeter. So we have to create the function of perimeter. Okay, perimeter, and no argument in that perimeter function. Yeah, no argument, just we have to return all the sum of this all sides. Yeah, so for that I will write var is equal to, okay, I will create one variable sum is equal to 0, and I want to iterate that whole array. Okay, so we will basically do in our things, let e of this dot s, where we have stored the array which is coming into the constructor. Okay, so this dot s we are iterating the array this dot s, and just we have to add our sum plus is equal to e, that iterator, and lastly here we have to return e. Yeah, we have to return e. So that is the thing. Okay, so we will run the code, what it will happen. So semicolons are missing, but okay, sorry, return e, here I have to write return sum, and here we go. Sample test case, yes, sample test case has been passed and we are submitting. Then we'll see another method to do this sum. Yeah, okay, this one liner we will do this in one liner. Okay, so I will remove this upper side, I will go here, as we want the sum of elements in this dot s array. Okay, so just we will do this dot s, I will reduce this, I will apply reduce method on this array. Okay, for reducing what we have to do, if there are coming two elements in the function. Okay, let a and b, these are the two elements that are calling to the function, then we want to sum of that two elements, a plus b. Okay, so simply this we have to do, means we have to reduce all the array into a single sum. That's why we are applying this reduce function. I think it will gonna work or not, but why it is taking time? Yeah, it is working. So that's the method, reduce method, where all the elements of this array are going to pass one by one in this function, in this reduce function, and it will help us. Okay, so then another thing that I want to show you that we can write this perimeter function outside the class. Okay, so just I will control X and I will take this outside class. As our class is closing here, I will write I am just pasting this here. Now we have to change our prototype. Okay, so for prototype I will show you how to write our class name. What is our class name? Polygon dot prototype dot perimeter. Yeah, perimeter is our function name. Okay, so for that here we have to do is equal to function. This is the function of that perimeter, this perimeter method. Okay, and this is the same thing that we have done. Now we will run the code. So this is one type of thing where we can write the function outside the class, okay, using this prototype method. Okay, that's the thing, and thank you.